Good morning, friends. I was woken up by 2 dogs jumping on my bed this morning. How are you, by the way? Look at this. Guys, we have another friend here. Hey, no fighting. Come on, guys. I think it's time for me to take these guys both on a W word. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do today. So for those of you wondering, this little guy is Hank. He's a 6-month-old beagle, and he is so much more hyper than Gohan. So I think Gohan has met his match. I'm gonna let you guys out for a little bit, okay? Hey. Oh, nice. Dude, that guy's so fast too. Honestly, maybe I don't even have to take him for a walk. This is perfect. I should really be waking up this early every single day. 7, to put it in perspective. We got the Asian hair going on. This is actually my natural bed hair. Sometimes I wake up and I don't even have to do anything to my hair. Perfect. Just making sure that there's no snow on the ground. Oh, I feel so bad for that little guy. Actually, Shane didn't even put him in the cage last night, but that's his room. You know, dogs were never meant to be leashed, like birds were never meant to be caged. That's my 2 cents for the day. Let's get today started. Can you come through here? Oh, yes. Good job. Here. Come here. Hey, look, okay? There, he's squirmy. See, this guy knows the drill. Go on, want to turn off the lights, please? Right there, right there. Thank you. It's the little one, so squirmy. Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit. The thing about both of these guys is they're both naturally hunting dogs, so they'll follow each other's nose.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
You tired already, Gohan? I think you met your match.
Sige, mag-ano ka sa sure sa TikTok. Ilabas mo sa TikTok yung ano.
I just have to post more consistently, do more art.
Kahit twice a day, pero 3 times a week lang.
Right.
So, halimbawa, Monday, nag-post ka ng 2, isunod mo sa Wednesday.
Does it have to be hours apart, or can it be like right after the
Siguro
other?
morning tapos evening, ganun, or afternoon.
Thanks for the good advice for social media, Mom.
Tapos yung bahay mo.
Promised myself we'd film an art video today. First things first, we'll see you guys back at the home studio base. Yo, never again. These guys are so tough to walk together. Actually, during our walk, I got a funny comic idea, which I'm going to be releasing on the Instagram, so follow me there. But let's get the rest of today started. I got another art video to do. And this is where I've decided to put our Mona Lisa. Shit Disturber 1, Shit Disturber 2. My plan was to release at least one good quality art video on my art channel every single week. And if I can, let's get changed. Okay, we ready. It's like 2 completely different personas where I actually do up my hair for the art channel. I don't know, man. I'm a little more lazy for the automotive channel. Well, it's not that. It's just, I don't know. I'm just so much more used to putting up a front for the art channel. It's a little more curated, I guess. Like an art gallery. So right now, I'm just setting up my lighting, and you guys kind of get a little bit of insight too as to how my art studio is set up during those videos. So yes, we got this guy, and then we got our colored floodlights. These I picked up off of Amazon for like, voila. So we can actually change the colors too with a remote. You can do green, orange. You can actually have it go through multiple colors, but we'll keep it at blue. And then on this side, we have another one. Plug that in there. And this one is red. That's pretty much it, guys. That is my lighting setup. So now for the next couple of hours, I'm gonna go film this art video. I guess I can show you guys what I'm up to. I'm gonna be painting this white hoodie, but in a particular style, and you'll see after I'm finished this video. So let me film that now.
is #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible.
I'm sure you guys what I got so far. So I made a sketch. Literally, we're gonna be copying what I drew right here onto this hoodie. And as you can see, like the gray areas, we've already kind of started on it, but like even the hatching, all that stuff, I'm adding that too. So again, guys, the main goal of this little tiny DIY project is to make this hoodie look like it was grabbed straight out of a manga or a comic book. There's one prominent artist, I think he resides in LA, named Joshua Vides, and this is exactly what he does. Minus the gray stuff, he just outlines things, pure black and white. I haven't really seen any videos like this that are done to hoodies, so this might be the first. Break time, break, Woo! Hey. Jesus, it started snowing out here. But that ain't stopping us from having a good time. Hey, why are you censored right now? Black Mirror. Hank, you gotta pound it. Pound it? Yeah!
As soon as it's done.
Sure.
And then put the cheese on top of each.
Oh, you got it. I'm gonna speak to you like I speak to the dogs. Dishes! You washing the dishes, son? Oh, yum.
Hey, you're letting the heat out.
Sorry. Fill the void. How's there an even amount of fill the void, filling the void with your go on.
Is that on camera?
Yeah, it was. Oops. What do you call this one? Shane?
Home of the Good Burger.
What?
It's home of the Good Burger. Can't I take your order?
Now it's too late. I doubt I'll even be able to get my FRS up this hill. Okay, let's finish this video. So I got probably a couple hours worth of work. I mean, it's just grays and blacks, but it's the outlining that probably is gonna take the longest time. Oh, I should have put this in water. I forgot. Break time. Do any of you guys listen to Think Media? Actually, these guys are insanely insightful when it comes to how to grow your channel on YouTube. And that's what I need right now. I also think I need a break. A small break, but look what we're at right now. It's pretty cool. I started outlining the drawstring. Even go through the effort of doing that. Not bad. And also like even adding a little bit of outlines to some of the gray shadows. That's looking sick. Okay, I just came up with an idea. Let me show you. Here it is. 1 part mango, 1 part crushed orange flavor, and 1 part Belvedere vodka. 1 healthy shot, 1 healthy shot. Shaken, not stirred. Actually, I should stir these. I literally just invented this now, so hopefully it tastes good. That's a thickeroonie. Cheers. Whoa. 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 That's actually amazing. What?
Did you let me in?
What the hell? Yo, please try. Please try. Go, Jan. Why you got snow on you, homie? Yeah, he's learning. He's learning.
I think he shits underneath the balcony.
No way, that's a spot. Give me your verdict. Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
It's a little strong.
A little bit, but that's good.
That's a good
I'm gonna
mix.
say something stupid, but
Aw,
nah, it's
you
pretty
should have. Man, this kid is too smart. Look at that. See? Did you see that subtle snout point? Separately. Here you go. Hey, Hank. Use a jumper. Here, Gohan. And then Gohan's just so nice. Hank, I just gave you some. Bros. No, Gohan doesn't even want any. I'm sorry, Gohan. You have your own, bros. You have your own. guys, I've been at this for maybe 4 or 5 hours now. We're almost done, but this is what I mean when I say if I'm YouTubing or if I'm vlogging for 2 YouTube channels, it doesn't give me all that much time for the other stuff. But if I don't have enough time to go to the garage and continue with my XB plans, because I promised you guys that I would work on it today, then I'm probably just gonna end this vlog because I still have to make myself dinner, which actually, let's go do that right now. What's up, guys? Why are you? Oh my gosh, bro, you destroyed that. Excuse me, have you no shame? All right. So like I was saying, I still have to make myself dinner, but then finish that video. And then I have to edit that video for the art YouTube channel. But then I have to edit this vlog for the daily Decembers. It's a lot on me. That's why I'm trying that polyphasic sleep schedule where you basically just sleep 3 to 5 hours and then progressively take power naps throughout the day. 1 to 3 power naps is what they suggest. And those power naps can only be like 15 to 20 minutes each. But the secret to life, guys, and doing this YouTube thing is if you actually enjoy what you're doing, you create enough inner energy to just push through the tough times. And it all pays off in the end. Like, you guys can believe you can get at least 1% better every single day. In 100 days, you'd be 100% better. But it has to be deliberate practice in whatever you guys are doing. So yeah, let's make rice. So you guys know how you can tell if you're super Asian? You know how to measure your rice to water ratio with your finger. Actually, it's super easy. If you want to learn, it's really just dip it in and the water just has to be double the size of whatever the level of the rice is to your fingertips. Almost made that mistake. People who eat rice, you ever make that mistake? Come back like an hour or 2 later and find out that your rice is still basking in water. Can't believe you've done this. I probably won't even be able to move the FRS from that spot an inch, so I'll wait until it melts. I hope it melts. Probably bring it to the new garage. All right, we just ended up ordering some Bobby Chow's. This is a local restaurant, Chinese, super greasy, but also delectable. And right now, my goal is to gain weight, so it's already booking for all of the holiday season. This is a barbecue pork dish with, I guess they gave us free duck. I never ordered the duck, dude. I think that was just leftover duck that they threw on. Greasy, greasy dumplings, steamed pork buns. All right, I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Looks like a meal and a half. I made the rice. So that was the rest of the night. Greasy Chinese food and watching this mountain documentary, which was actually pretty interesting. If you guys want to watch it, it's called 14 Peaks. It's brand new on Netflix. It's actually like the best metaphor for climbing mountains. I suggest you guys watch it. It's awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna just end this vlog, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.